Hello and welcome to the GBC Productions channel. This is episode 130. In this video, we're going to take a look inside of a miniature laser light show projector. I'm going to go ahead and take the tripod off. The tripod has just little flexible legs. There are a few controls on the back of the projector. There are two buttons back here for mode and color speed. There's a charging port, power switch, and a microphone. And there's also a fan. So I'm going to turn it on. It's kind of hard to see, but the red dots don't move or do anything. The blue and the green do change patterns and move around. I'm suspecting there's an optical disc inside that the blue and the green lasers shine through. After a while running, it'll reverse direction. One other thing I've noticed is when you turn it off, the light here will stay on for a little bit. At first I thought it was maybe to run the fan a little bit after you turn it off, but as soon as you turn it off, the fan stops. The screws are behind these covers. Here's a quick view of the front. I'll turn it on for a moment. I'm going to pause for a moment and take the screws out. I'll be right back. Here's the fan. It is nothing special. Now, can that pop off? No, it's glued on. I'll sneak it through the housing here. Here's the battery pack. It looks like two 18650s. Well, according to the label, it is 18650s. I don't know how accurate the other information on that label is. I'm going to pause for a moment so I can get the circuit board off. Then we can take a look at the laser diodes and the motor. Here's a close-up of the circuit board. The connectors for the lasers are color-coded. This is for battery, this is for fan, and the bigger one is for the stepper motor. Let's see if we can read any of these chips. Kind of. Can't read that one, but I think it's for the charge circuit. I can't see anything on that one. The back doesn't have much on it. Now here's the laser diodes. This is the red one. The one all the way to the right is the green. It has a big heat sink on it. And the blue one's in the middle. And up top is the stepper motor. There's a lot of glue in here holding these connectors in place. I'm going to remove the stepper motor. Then we can see that optical disc. Here's the stepper motor with the disc. Find this disc quite interesting to look at. I also find it interesting that there's one disc, but there's two very different patterns for the blue and the green lasers. I'm going to put the motor back in, and then we can take a closer look at the front of this thing. I'm not sure how visible this is, but you can kind of see the edge of the disc right in front of the blue laser. And the green laser is even closer to the edge. This will make some very interesting shapes on the blue laser. And that is what is inside of a miniature laser projector show. Don't forget to subscribe for more, mash that like button, and comment below. Until next time, this is Uncle D from GBC Productions, signing off.